Okay, question number 21. In the figure PQRS, it is a trapezium in which PQ parallel to SR. On PQ and RS, there are points E and F respectively such that EF intersects SQ at G. Prove that EQ into GS equal to GQ into FS. Let us see the figure. This is the figure. PQRS is a trapezium in which PQ parallel to SR. To prove EQ into GS equal to GQ into FS. So here EQ is this one, GS this, GQ this, FS this one. So here we have to consider these two triangles. So we will get all these sides. Consider the triangle EQG and FGS. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 because vertically opposite angles. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. There, see, SR parallel to PQ. Therefore, 3 and 4 are alternate interior angles. They are equal. Therefore, by AA similarity, triangle EQG similar to FSG. We have to write in the corresponding order. If we take E first, so angle EF here first, then Q, so S, then G, here is also G. So corresponding sides are proportional. EQ divided by FS equal to GQ divided by GS. Cross multiplying. Hence proved. See over part of the same question, question number 21. Two triangles are given. In the figure, find the measure of angle X. In triangle PQR and the XYZ, see all the three ratios are same 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Therefore, by S similarity, we get here first we take PQ, that means 4.2, then 8.4. Here PQ proportional to ZY, that is 1 by 2. Then PR by XZ, PR and XZ, their ratio 1 by 2. Last QR XY, QR XY. So we take in the same way. Since the two triangles are similar, Since the two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. We want to find angle x. So for angle x, here corresponding angle is r. Now in this triangle PQR, we calculate the angle r. By angle sum property, we get angle r is equal to 50. 60 plus 70 plus 50 is equal to 180. So corresponding angle for r is x. Therefore angle x is equal to 50. 22. Evaluate 3 tan square 30 plus tan square 60 plus cosec 30 minus tan 45 divided by cot square 45. Three into tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square plus tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 square is tan square 60 plus cosec 30 value is 2 minus tan 45 1 divided by cot square 45. Cot 45 is 1. Just to simplify, one plus 3 plus 2 minus 1. 5. So question 23. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 18. Determine f. This is a question. In this distribution, mean is given as 18. So we have to find the value of f. We rewrite the table. This is the table. First we find its class mark. Class mark is middle value. How to find 11 plus 13 divided by 2? No, corresponding frequencies are xi into fi. Sum of frequency equal to 40 plus f, and sum of xi fi equal to 704 plus 20f. Formula for mean equal to sigma xi fi divided by sigma fi. Given that mean is equal to 18, sigma xi fi divided by sigma fi. Cross multiplying, sorry, f is equal to 8. Now question 24. Find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are 6 and 9 respectively. Hence find the zeros of the polynomial obtained. So find the polynomial. So x square minus 6x plus 9 is the polynomial. Now to find its roots or zeros. 3 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Now, or part of the same question. Find the zeros of the polynomial 6x square minus 3 minus 7x and verify the relationship between zeros and its coefficients. This is the given polynomial. So we write in the standard form, that is standard form. So it becomes so its roots are 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. Relationship between roots and coefficients. Now the relationship is alpha plus beta is minus b by a and alpha into beta is c by a. Let us verify whether minus b by a and c by a. Alpha plus beta is 7 by 6 and minus b by e is also 7 by 6. Alpha into beta is minus 1 by 2. C by a is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta is c by a. Relationship is verified. If the roots of the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 are double in value of the roots of 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0, then find the values of p and q. Two x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. We get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Given that the roots of the equation x square plus qx x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, or double the values of these roots. That is, so 6 and minus 1 are the zeros of x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. So if we take alpha is equal to 6 and beta is equal to minus 1, then the equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. So this is the equation, x square minus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with the given equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, we get p is equal to minus 5 and q is equal to minus 6. Now section C. Section C has 6 questions carrying 3 marks each. So we go to question number 26. Area of a sector of central angle 120 degree of a circle is 462. Then find the length of the corresponding arc of the sector. Given that area of the sector is equal to 462, where central angle is equal to 120 degrees. Now from this one, first we find the radius of the sector. So area of sector is equal to 462. Formula is theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to 462. So here theta is equal to 120. 120 by 360 into pi r square is equal to 462. So 1 by 3 pi r square is equal to 462. So r square is equal to 462 into 3 by 1 into 7 by 22. R square is equal to 21 into 3 into 7. Therefore, R is equal to its square root, that we will get 21. Radius of the corresponding sector is equal to 21. Now, to find the length of the corresponding arc. Length of arc formula is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. That is 120 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21. Two into 22, 44 centimeter is the length of arc. Now question 27. If x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sine theta and cos theta, and x sine theta equal to y cos theta, then prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. So given that x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sine theta cos theta. And x sine theta is equal to y cos theta. These are given. We have to prove that x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now the given equations are x sin q theta plus y cos q theta is equal to sin theta cos theta and x sin theta is equal to y cos theta. Equation 1 can be written as or x sin cube theta plus y cos theta into cos square theta. We write cos cube theta as cos theta into cos square theta equal to sin theta into cos theta, that is x sin cube theta plus this y cos theta can be written as x sin theta by equation 2. X sin theta into cos square theta equal to sin theta cos theta. So everywhere sin theta is common to all the terms. So sin q theta, you have sin theta, and here also sin theta. If we divide each term by sin theta, we get x sin square theta plus x cos square theta equal to cos theta, dividing throughout by sin theta. So taking x common, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to cos theta, or x into, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So x into 1 is equal to cos theta, or x is equal to cos theta. This is equation 3. Now again, we have first equation x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. Rewriting this, x sin cube theta can be written as x sin theta into sin square theta plus y cos square theta equal to sin theta into cos theta. Here we change x sin theta as y cos theta by equation 2. So this becomes y cos theta into sin square theta plus y cos square theta equal to sin theta cos theta. Again, cos theta is a common factor of all the terms. Dividing throughout by cos theta, we get y sin square theta by cos square theta equal to sin theta, or y into sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to sin theta. So y into sin square theta plus cos square theta becomes 1, or y into 1 is equal to sin theta, or y is equal to sin theta. Equation 4. We want the value of x square plus y square. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to, we got x is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sin theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. So clearly it is equal to 1. So x square plus y square is equal to 1. Yes, proved. Now next question. Question number 28. The coordinates of the vertices of triangle ABC are A 7, 2, B 9, 10 and C 1, 4. If E and F are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively, prove that EF is equal to half BC. Given triangle ABC, vertex A 7 to B 9 10, C 1, 4. E and F are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. That is, midpoint of AB is E, midpoint of AC is equal to F. Now to prove that EF is equal to half BC. Prove that EF is equal to half BC. So let us find the length of BC, then find the EF also. Now, distance between 2 points, if x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the 2 points, so then distance between them is given by root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is BC 1 minus 9 the whole square plus 4 minus 10 the whole square. So 1 minus 9 minus 8 square 64, 4 minus 10 minus 6 square is 36. That is square root of 100 or 10. So BC is equal to 10. Now to find the length of EF also. Since E is the midpoint of AB, find the coordinates of E. If x1, y1 and x2, y2 are 2 points, the midpoint of the line joining is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So the point E will be x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 7 plus 9 by 2, 2 plus 10 by 2, or we get 8, 6 is the coordinate of E. Similarly, F, point F is 7 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 4 divided by 2. That is 8 by 2, 6 by 2, or 4 and 3. 4 comma 3 is the coordinates of F. Now we have to find the value or find the length EF. Again, using distance formula, length EF is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. EF 4 minus 8 the whole square plus 3 minus 6 the whole square. 4 minus 8 minus 4, its square is 16. 3 minus 6 minus 3 square is 9. So root 25, which is equal to 5. We got BC as 10 and EF is 5. Clearly, EF is equal to 1 by 2 BC. That is 1 by 2 into 10. Hence it is proved. Question 29. Solve the following quadratic equation for x. 9x square minus 6b square x minus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 equal to 0. The equation is 9x square minus 6b square x minus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 equal to 0. Solve for x. This is a quadratic equation. If such a question is given, instead of splitting the middle term, 6bx square Instead of splitting the middle term, we use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is solution for x. Here x is equal to minus b, minus of, here b means this whole part, minus 6b square, minus 6b square plus or minus root of b square minus minus 6b square whole square. B square comes minus 6b square whole square minus 4ac. 4 into a comes 9. C comes minus of a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. 2 into a is 9. Simplifying, minus of minus 6b square, that is plus 6b square plus or minus root of minus 6b square whole square, that is 36b raised to 4. Minus of minus becomes plus. 4 into 9, 36 a raised to 4. Again minus 36 b raised to 4 whole divided by 18. That is 6b square minus 36b raised to 4 plus 36b raised to 4. So 36a raised to 4, its square root will be 6a square divided by 18. Taking 6 common factor, so we will get b square plus or minus a square whole divided by 3, or roots are b square plus a square by 3 or b square minus a square by 3. These are the roots, b square plus a square by 3 and b square minus a square by 3. Now, our part of the question 29. Solve the following quadratic equation for x. The question is 1 by x plus 1 by 2p plus 1 by 2q equal to 1 by x plus 2p plus 2q. So solve for x. Taking the terms containing x one side and the other terms other side. So we get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 2p plus 2q equal to, all these two terms will go to right side, that is minus of 1 by 2p plus 1 by 2q. Taking LCM, x into x plus 2p plus 2q, here it becomes x plus 2p plus 2q minus x into 1x equal to minus of 2q plus 2p. Here 2p plus 2q, x into x plus 2p plus 2q equal to minus of 2q plus 2p divided by 4pq. Cancelling the same term on both sides, we get 1 by x into x plus 2p plus 2q equal to minus 1 by 4pq. cross multiplying 4pq equal to minus of x into x plus 2p plus 2q. 4pq equal to minus x square minus 2px minus 2qx. Or x square plus 2px plus 2qx plus 4pq equal to 0. Taking x common, x into x plus 2p plus 2q common, taking 2q common, so we get x plus 2p. Now x plus 2p is common for these two terms, plus, so x plus 2p equal to 0 or x plus 2q equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus 2p or x is equal to minus 2q. So these are the solution, minus 2p or minus 2q, both are solutions of the equation. Now question 30. Cards marked with numbers 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 50 are placed in a bag. One card is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the number on the card drawn is, three parts are there. 1, divisible by 7, second, a perfect square, and third, a multiple of 6. The question is, card marked with the numbers 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 50. So these are the numbers written on the cards. So therefore, starting from 3, so up to 50. Therefore, total 48 numbers are there. Now one card is taken randomly and find its probability. Probability of number divisible by 7. Now, out of which 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to 50, how many numbers are divisible by 7? First we see what are they. The numbers are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49. These are the numbers divisible by 7 out of the given numbers. So probability of a number is given by, probability is given by favorable outcomes divided by total numbers. Favorable divided by total. So favorable outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by total 48. So therefore, probability of number divisible by 7 is 7 by 48. Now, probability of a number which is a perfect square. See what are the perfect squares in which 3, 4, 5, 6. First we see 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 14. These are the perfect squares out of 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. up to 50. See, therefore, probability of an event is equal to favorable divided by total. See how many are favorable numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 48. That is equal to 1 by 8. Now, probability of a number which is multiple of 6. They are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. Out of 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 50. Therefore, probability equal to favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Favorable 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by total number is 48. That is equal to 1 by 6. Question number 31. The sum of 4 consecutive numbers in AP is 32 and the ratio of the product of the first and last term to the product of two middle terms is 7:15. Then find the numbers. Given that sum of 4 consecutive numbers in AP is 32. The numbers can be taken as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. See, there are 4 numbers, therefore we take these numbers a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Remember, when 3 numbers are given, you always take as a minus d, a plus d. So that if we add these all, we get 3a. But 4 numbers are given, you take this as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus d. If we add all these numbers, all the d's will cancel, minus 3d, minus d, plus d and plus 3d. So all the numbers will get cancelled, only we are remaining with a. Given that sum of the numbers of this AP is equal to 32. So a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d equal to 32. It means 4a is equal to 32 or a is equal to 32 divided by 4 or 8. So one number, the value of a is equal to 8. We find the value of d also, so we can find the numbers. For the purpose of calculating the value d, it is given that ratio of the product of the first term and last term to the product of middle terms is 7:15. That is, given product of first and last, a minus 3d into a plus 3d divided by middle terms, a minus d into a plus d equal to 7:15. This is the condition given. So a plus b into a minus b, we get a square minus 9d square divided by a square minus d square equal to 7/15. Cross multiplying 15a square minus 135d square equal to 7a square minus 7d square. Here we got a is equal to 8. So 15 into 8 square minus 135d square is equal to 7 into 8 square minus 7d square. Fifteen into 8 square minus 7 into 8 square equal to 135d square minus 7d square. 8 square into 15 minus 7 equal to 1d square into 135 minus 7. Eight square into 8 is equal to d square into 128. D square is equal to 8 square into 8 divided by 128. So d square is equal to 4. So we get d is equal to plus or minus 2. If a is equal to 8 and d is equal to plus 2 if we take, then the numbers a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d are 8 minus 3 into 2, 8 minus 2, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 3 into 2. Eight minus 6, 6, 10. See these are 2, 6, 10, 14. These are the numbers, they are in AP. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 4, 14. 2, 6, 10, 14 are the numbers. If we go other way, if A is equal to 8 and D is equal to minus 2, again numbers are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. That is 8 minus 3 into minus 2, 8 minus minus 2, 8 plus minus 2, 8 plus 3 into minus 2. That is 8 plus 6, 8 plus 2, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 6. That we got 14, 10, 6 and 2. So we get 14, 10, 6, 2. So we got earlier 2, 6, 10, 14. This is 14, 10, 6, 2. Anyway, the numbers are these 2, 6, 10, 14. It is only in reverse order 14, 10, 6, 2. Therefore, the numbers in AP are 14, 10, 6, 2. Or part of this question is the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n. Find the AP. Also find its 15th term. Sum of n terms of AP given Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n. Sum of n terms of an AP is given in this expression 3n square plus 5n. Find AP and also find the 15th term. Find AP and 15th term. We want these two. AP we have to find and 15th term. Now the expression given for sum to n terms is 3n square plus 5n. If we put n is equal to 1, that is sum of one term S1 equal to 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1. That is 3 plus 5 equal to 8. S1 is equal to 8. S1 means the first term itself, or we can take A1 equal to 8. Sum of one terms means the first term itself is 8. If we put n is equal to 2, then S2, that means sum of first two terms, that means 3 into 2 square plus 5 into 2. 3 into 4 plus 10, that is equal to 12 plus 10. That is sum of two terms is equal to 22. Sum of one term, that is a1 is equal to 8. S2, two terms sum is equal to a2. Two terms sum means a1 plus a2 equal to 22. Here we got a1 is equal to 8. a1 plus a2 is equal to 22. Therefore, a2 is equal to 22 minus 8. a2 is equal to 14. a1 is equal to 8. a2 is equal to 14. First term is 8, second term is 14. Therefore, common difference D is equal to 14 minus 8. 6 is the common difference. Therefore, we can write the AP as AP is first term 8. Common difference is 6. So, adding 6, again add 6. So, this is the AP. Now, to find the 15th term. 15th term, formula is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 15th term is equal to a. A means first term a1. a1 we got 8 plus 15 minus 1 into d. D is 6. The term is 92.